Good, good. Hold on, what's that right here? Is this meat? Pull that from under there. Hold on, let me see. What's this? What is this here? This meat?
Oh! Motherfucking cat! Cat dog!
Why you got the meat on the floor though?
Yo, what's poppin', GE? Gang, boys, we are back with another banger reaction video. Happy Monday to my people. Hope you made it to work safe. I hope you're staying prayed up and out the way, okay? It is Monday. I hope you guys enjoyed the vibe of the day I put out this morning, early this morning. Put it out like before 8 a.m., you know what I'm saying? So I hope you got that and ran with it. Today we're about to get into a video, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. Meat was on the floor in the kitchen. Inspector Black. Hey, Black. Inspector Black type. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to tap into that because you guys love it. Now you guys are sending me his videos. Ain't that how that work? Shout out to my people, man. Tonight, check this out, man. We discovered this channel actually on Twitch. Tonight we're going live on Twitch at 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is the West Coast time, which would be 11 o'clock on the East Coast. Central would probably be what? 10 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? So come tap in with us. It's Nala's birthday. If y'all want to come wish her happy birthday, because I know people love Nala and how she like regulates, you know what I'm saying, being a great moderator type. But yeah, we're doing that for her. Usually we got Mondays off, but they want to do a birthday stream for Nala, so that's what we're gonna do tonight, 8 p.m. Come have fun with us. Come wish her happy birthday, and we have a giveaway going down, 2 pair of shoes. You gotta be subscribed to the channel. So shout out to everybody that's entered into that. We doing that tonight. Other than that, man, we're going to tap right into the video. I ain't going to hold you guys up. But before we get into the video, I got to check on my people's meepers, okay? So get down in the comment section. 1 through 10, let me know how you doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually. Baby, it's Monday. Got to have that energy. I know what they say. Oh, mopey. It's Monday, baby. We alive. Yeah.
How you doing, sir? How you doing? My name is Agent Black with the 30303. I'm just here for your routine inspection.
Okay, I'm calling manager.
Okay, cool.
He's coming outside.
He's ready?
He's coming outside. He said give him a minute. He's coming.
Okay. That's fine. That's fine.
Do you need to check outside first?
No, just inside. If he was ready to show me the back or anything. Oh, you don't know that?
Oh yeah, you can go in.
Ready? Okay. Is the manager or the boss back there?
Yeah, it's
okay.
Asian guy.
Asian guy. Okay.
It's an Asian restaurant all over, you know what I'm saying?
Asian guy. How you doing, sir? I'm looking for the boss. Boss? Manager? How you doing, brother? How you doing? I'm Agent Black. My ID number 30303, and I'm just here for a routine inspection. If you don't mind, just showing me around.
Somebody in the comment section of the last video said Agent 30303 sounds like an Atlanta area code type. You might be right. You know what I'm saying? Tap in, let us know. That sound like Atlanta? He's just using an Atlanta area code. Let us know, man.
Okay, I actually speak English. Not too much class.
Okay, no. Oh, no English, no English. Okay, no, you can just, he can just show me around. That's all I need him to do. Just show me around stations and, you know, sanitary, you know. All right. Okay.
You just cook the rice.
Scoop the rice. It was just some rice in here?
Yeah.
All right, that's a little dirty. Okay, what about this right here? Do y'all clean this right here?
Yeah, you just cook the meat outside.
All right.
Every night she clean it.
Every night? Okay. All right. Can we check the service back area real quick? Okay. Looks pretty neat back here. Pretty neat. Do you mind opening this? Matter of fact, I got my gloves on.
This meat just cooking for today.
Let me see the meat. What meat? And what kind of meat is that?
General Tso chicken.
General Tso chicken. Okay.
It's open. She for up. It's 38.
Okay. All right. You saying a lot of shit I don't understand, but it's okay. I got you, brother. Let's go. We go to the front. What is this right here?
Oh, this one is the cooking.
Cocaine?
Put for here.
You said cocaine?
No.
Oh.
Đi vào có nên mặc trái khạc của ra.
Okay.
Nên nó hòn nhằn hẹp cả.
The workers are.
Oh, okay, that's there. Okay, all right, no problem. No problem, no problem. All right, let's go to the sanitary stations. How you doing, sir? How you doing? Are you comfortable at work, sir? Are you comfortable at work? All right, all right, all right, cool. Okay. The meats, okay.
Wait, the ordering. Ordering, you make it. Ordering, you make it.
And what meat is that, sir?
This one for cook.
How long has it been sitting out?
Just put for here the morning. This one just.
Okay, wait a minute. Could you just cross-contaminated, sir? This is seafood, that's meat.
This shrimp, this just beef.
Okay, so that's shrimp and that's beef, and you just use that to touch that, sir. That is cross-contamination, sir. That's not allowed, so you cannot do that. That's how people get sick.
Oh, got a point.
Yeah, you're fucking up right now. I ain't gonna lie. Hold on. Cross-contamination.
Fuck it up right now. Cross-contamination. Right there.
All right, so that's one. Yeah, so just make sure you don't cross-contaminate anything anymore. What's that meat over there?
The pot.
Okay. That's some more shrimp. Okay. All right.
Listen, I'm telling you, you can't get mad at him because he be finding real violations. I'm allergic to seafood. You know what I'm saying? You cross-contamination. If I order the beef and you sit there and touch the shrimp, whatever, bro, I might swell up. Hey, man, he be finding real violations. He might not be a real inspector, but he finding real violations, though.
Fine. Let me see. Okay. And then what is this right here?
She just this shrimp.
Shrimp. How long has this been here?
Just outside.
Just now?
Yeah.
All right. And what's in your mouth right there? You got grills in? Do they allow grills here?
Yes.
Grills? All right. No, it's all right. Hey, you do as you want, brother. I'm not mad at that. Okay.
Got to be Atlanta.
I'm just here to get a better understanding of what's going on. All right? Okay. Everybody, freezer?
Yes.
All right. Let's go ahead and check the freezer out. Make sure y'all ain't got no cats and dogs or nothing back here crazy. Oh, snap. What is this? This worms? What is this shit?
This one, the bean spot, the veggie.
Okay, veggie? Veggie? Okay, you just touched it just like you touch. Okay, you touch it a lot. All right. All right, you good. You can back on up. You back on up.
Worms?
All right. It looks pretty good, pretty good. Let me check under. Check under. Is that a roach? Yo, is that a roach right there?
Where?
Oh, wait. Oh, nah, that's a leaf. My bad. False alarm. I thought my bad. It's a leaf.
False
it's a leaf.
alarm.
You good?
Oh, my
you good?
God, brother.
You good? Hold on. What's that right here? Is this meat? Pull that from under there. Hold on. Let me see. What's this? What is this here? This meat?
Oh! Motherfucking cat! Cat dog!
Why you got the meat on the floor, though?
She just caught. She just outside caught.
Huh?
Just outside. She want put the machine.
Wait a minute, sir. Wait a minute.
Wait a damn minute. Did he say we just caught that? That looked like a cat that's curled up with the tail type over right by the head type skinnery. Got the Mises and the Mouses. They selling cat and dog. Whoa. They got meat on the floor marinating. I swore he said, that's cat. Fresh marinating. Got the meat in it, a mouse. More flavor. Hold on, run that backery. Whoa.
Caught. She just outside caught.
Huh?
Just outside. She want put the machine.
Wait a minute, sir. Wait a minute. So you got the meat on the floor? I ain't gonna lie, that's... Oh my goodness. Yeah.
Wait a
we might
damn
have to shut
minute.
y'all down. What the hell?
That's cat, bro.
She just come.
How long has this been right here?
Just bring outside by full thing.
Just bring out... You're gonna have to learn some English, brother, because you need to speak and you need to tell me what's up with this.
Still frozen.
Still frozen?
He says he defrost it under.
Today, but why is it on the floor though?
Oh.
All right. Okay. Fucking up.
Fucking up.
Okay. And then what is this right here? Is this anybody's?
No. Just for the Chinese.
That's just trash? Trash? Okay, that trash needs to be in the trash can. Doesn't need to be right there in the workplace, okay? Because this is for the customers, not people's trash, okay?
No, for customers. This is only for Chinese.
Only for Chinese?
They cook it. They cook.
Oh, the cook. Okay, yeah. If you cook food with it, then that should not be there. With orange peels, with old orange peels.
Yeah.
Cause this is old. You see, this is cracking. You feel what I'm saying? That's unacceptable, brother. It's all right. It's all right. Let me see what else is going on here. Yo. All right. Fries. Fries. Okay. Everything looks about. All right. So basically, what's gonna happen, brother? You guys are getting shut down. All right, because that honestly, the meat on the floor, that was the kicker for me. Meat on the floor, trash on the plate that has been there for days. That's unacceptable. All right. So I mean, I don't know who you got to talk to, brother, but yeah, you fucked up big time. All right. I'm pretty sure you understand that. But hey, I honestly, I don't really even know what else to say. I wish it didn't have to go like that, but I'm not sure. Really, let's just come back to this meat, bro. This was on the floor, yo. Let me check the rest of the floor just to make sure there's no meat under
Right,
here,
come on, man. Check the rest of the damn floor.
Is that the only meat that was on the floor, sir? That was only that? Okay. Hey, come here. You, come.
Come. You, come.
Wait, this is the trash?
Uh-huh.
It's trash? Okay. How often are these floors swept and mopped?
Like every day.
Every day?
Yeah, when you close, they clean.
Close? Okay. Okay. That's cool. That's good. That's good. That's good. All right. Hold on. Let's check this deep freezer real quick. Deep freezer is good.
Decent.
Deep freezer is good. Deep freezer is good. All right. All right. All right, brother. You, honestly, you with the grills, I think you should have a day off. Because that right there, are those permanent or can you take them out? Yeah? You can take them out? No? Permanent? All right. That's a violation.
That's
He has grills, sir. That's not. Do you understand
oh
permanent
my
grills?
God.
Does he understand permanent grills?
Yes.
Those permanent grills are not allowed at work.
Those are fake teeth.
Fake? He said they're permanent.
Oh, no.
It's a fake?
Yeah.
So you can take them out. Okay, when you're at work, no. You guys are good, man. Okay, if someone just like to show me the bathroom, then I'll be on my way.
Okay.
If you show me the bathroom, I'll be on my way. All right.
I mean, with people in the restaurant and everything, I'll be about it. Hey, what's going on here?
Or somebody inside.
Oh, somebody inside? Okay. What about that one? No bathroom?
No.
What is that right there?
This one only I put the napkin, put something inside.
Storage?
Storage.
Okay.
Put the machine.
Okay, let me see.
There's something lock it.
Okay, so where's the key?
Hey, we got to see in there,
Yeah, we need to
man.
make sure that that's how it's supposed to be, brother. Everything is inspected.
Inside lang yan.
How long is it gonna take?
Storage closet.
Put the napkin, put the machine.
Okay, napkin machine. What is that? Oh, the toilet right there. Okay.
No music for the business.
Okay. Okay. How does this get cleaned often or no?
Yeah, this one is spoken. No music for.
No use, okay.
For business, this one you see.
Okay. All right.
Only one.
All right. All right.
Alright, let me check the other one.
Yeah, just let me check that one real quick and we'll be good. Okay.
This one is.
Okay. Yeah. So this is pretty unacceptable.
And then.
So how long? When does this get cleaned? Every day?
Every the night I have the order Amiga.
You lying?
You lying.
Yeah, no, it doesn't. Cause
Yes.
this right here, this is stains from 7 weeks ago. I see that. This right here.
She's only killing.
Hold on, brother.
Oh.
Did you just say that stain looked like it was there 7 weeks ago? You ain't never stepped foot in that restaurant. Ah, man, this motherfucker funny, man.
Yeah, no, it doesn't. Cause this right here, this is stains from 7 weeks ago. I see that. This right here.
She only clean the here.
Oh.
She not clean.
Oh, she don't clean that, so y'all don't clean the walls. So you're telling me it's germs on these walls in the bathroom?
Okay.
Okay.
In the bathroom, there's germs.
Don't worry about it.
Like, unacceptable.
All right. Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you.
I appreciate you guys. You guys have been a blessing. Honestly, let me go ahead and just notify corporate that I'm leaving.
Man, listen.
All right. What does he need? What do you
Who
need?
you calling, bro?
No, what do you need?
He said the badge and a copy of the.
Yes, ID number 30303. Agent Black. All right.
All right.
I appreciate you guys.
He needs the document right now.
Document. Let me see. Here. I just made sure. I just put it down. It will be emailed to you guys. You have a blessed day.
Hold on, brother. Hold on, man. Cause I swear those people face, bro.
Honestly.
Look, they look concerned.
Let me
Look
go
out.
ahead and just note-
They look concerned. They looking like, hold on. We got our food about to get up out of here. It's in the bag already packaged. What is going on? What is these? Okay. Scaring everybody. If you guys seen the back of that kitchen, if you guys would have seen that meat on the floor, I've been asking for a motherfucking refund. I don't care why I was on the floor. Give my money back. I don't want the food. I'm out. This motherfucker picked up he took out a flip phone, 555-8888, act like he was calling corporate. I smell this dude's crazy, bro. I ain't gonna lie to
Notify
you.
corporate that I'm leaving.
He got notified corporate.
All right. What does he need? What do you need? No, what do you need?
He said the badge and a copy of the.
Yes, ID number 30303. Agent Black. All right.
All right.
I appreciate you guys.
He needs the document right now.
Document. Let me see.
Bro, I don't know how you do this. I mean, like,
I just made sure. I just put it down. It will be emailed to you guys. You have a blessed day.
They printed.
No. We don't do that anymore. It's come through email. Thank you.
oh, man. Cut it out, man. This is hilarious, bro. It's hilarious. This shit, the fact that he be finding real violations. How the hell do the real health inspector come in here? Them motherfuckers don't get on the ground and find meat. Yeah, he need to go be a real inspector. Because he's learning some shit along with trolling along the way. I'm just saying, meat on the ground, they had the saran wrap over it, and then saran wrap was missing on the edges, so the meat wasn't even covered under the counter, bro. Do you know what's under the counters? Your meat getting dirty. It's cat anyway. It's already dirty. It's got a couple mices. They done caught a couple mices in the restaurant. A couple mouses. A couple roaches. So the cat's got some flavor. Yo, sorry for the interruption. But I have to let you guys know we got some new fire merch on the website. You know what I'm saying? We have to let you know the brand new shirt. I just need enough money not to worry about money. I think we all want enough money not to worry about money. You know what I'm saying? That's a real life deal situation there, okay? We got plenty of shirts, plenty of colors. Like a lot of these shirts have 13 colors. What else we got? Eerie. You know what I'm saying? I put that shit on everything. You know what I'm saying? It's really discretionary how we really have to talkery. You know what I'm saying? I put that shit on everything, like literally. Okay? What else we got? Oh, you know, for the women. I'm pretty. I'm powerful. I'm unstoppable. Yes, you are. For sure. Don't let nobody tell you that you're not ever in life, okay? And don't worry about how big it is. Just know it's heavy, okay? Just know it's heavy. Yeah, straight like that. Then we got positive vibes, keep positive drives, okay? We got plenty of merch over here for my people to stay straight for the summertime. We got the hoodies for the wintertime. But for the summertime coming up, look at all these shirts. Plenty of them. Good vibes. Fooshin' it. Get on my face, McGoof. We got plenty of shirts. Listen, how we gonna play the rent? We gonna play the rent with some dick. Go grab a shirt. Back to the video.